When I say investment over purchase or over buying something, there is a difference. The investment, we all know as high performers, high achievers, right? That a lot of times when we invest in something, we might not see an immediate return. But again, you should still be seeing some results along the way. And this is how I pro tip teach my clients and students to build out their programs and courses. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Amazing course creators, okay? Because we are getting these courses out this year. What's going on, y'all? It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. If you're watching this on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification. Chances are you've been coming and seeing these videos for a minute now. Jump in. If this is your first time, welcome, and I'm excited that you can join us. If you're coming back, welcome back. As always. Okay, let's get into today's episode. Stop buying stuff. I'm gonna break the ice here with some tough love. Stop buying stuff. Okay, you're a high performer, high achiever. You already know what it is that you need to be doing. A lot of times though, as high performers, we and business owners, entrepreneurs, right? We have these amazing ideas that seem crazy to everybody else, and we start investing in stuff. Okay, we start buying stuff. So there's a difference in my world between buying stuff versus investing in stuff. Okay, so buying stuff is just kind of, imagine going to the mall, grabbing a shirt real quick, you pop the tag, immediately loses value. Okay, investing in stuff is, you may not see an immediate return right up front, but you should see some progress. You should see some results. So a lot of times we're just buying stuff, and I bring this from the aspect of when I first started my business, I was buying stuff. Now, granted, some of the tools that I started investing in and purchasing at the start of my business, I still use today. However, I didn't understand the rule of investment, right? And so I was buying software, I was buying new technology, things that I thought I was going to use in my business. And it turned out like, yes, they're great, they're useful. But I bought a bunch of complicated software that it took me a long time to use. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, then you know I'm a huge proponent of ClickFunnels. I love ClickFunnels. Okay, a lot of my sales pages, landing pages, even some of my courses are hosted there. And I really like it. But when I first started this journey, I invested in ClickFunnels, and it was confusing for me. It was a lot going on. Now, it is one of the easiest softwares that I've come across to use, but it took me about a year to really master ClickFunnels, to master the platform and really start to understand how I can build out funnels, how I connect them, all of those things. And it started getting easier and easier and easier. Now I bust out funnels in like a day, okay? No time. And I teach them to my clients and students as well inside of my high level programs. Shameless plug, if you're interested in learning more about those, go to jumpfirstacademy.org. But a lot of times we're just buying stuff thinking that it's the right investment, and we don't even need it for the current season that we are in. I come across this a lot of times with clients that I work with who are investing in or buying hosting platforms for their courses, right? I'm going to be the first one to tell you, maybe you've heard it before, but I'm going to keep reiterating this. This has not changed since I started in this business. You don't need a hosting platform for your courses. Stop. Okay, stop buying stuff. All right. The hosting platforms a lot of times come with standalone courses, things that you just want to put on DIY. And if you missed yesterday's episode, I'll go ahead and link it somewhere above my head here. I broke down really what the differences are between DIY, do it yourself, done for you, and also done with you, right? And so you can go check that video out to learn more about that. But a lot of times when you're doing DIY courses and you just want to set them and forget them, which I don't advise, okay, we see a lot of that happening. And this is also where Mama the Noob, hello, it's good to see you on. Let me know where you're currently watching from or what time it is where you are. This is where we see a lot of like scamming starting to happen, right? or not even like intentional. Sometimes it's unintentional. Sometimes people are putting together courses off of the strength that they have this information, they know it's knowledgeable and valuable. They've seen somebody else put together a course and they just go duplicate. Okay, and what it's doing is causing more harm than good a lot of times. And so that's why my area of expertise is premium courses. I want to help you start to take what it is that you know and build it into effective programs for people, not just these standalone courses that you set and forget. Okay, I'm not saying that your courses aren't going to provide you more time, because they definitely do. A lot of my friends are a little jelly. Okay, they get a little jealous. Hey y'all, when it comes to my schedule, and being able to move how I want to move, I'm like, just let me know and I'll figure it out. We'll go from there. But my point is, premium courses give you the free time and flexibility, but you also are showing up for your clients and students, okay? Because you're making sure that the content is effective. You're refreshing your content. All of those things, you're actually showing up. And again, go check out, I'll link it again here, the DIY. It'll be in the description, the DIY, DFY, and done with you video that I did on yesterday, okay? So I need to bring this real quick. Stop buying stuff. You need to know what season of business that you are currently in and what you're going to invest in next. A lot of people hold off investing in mentors and coaches and people who are actually going to help them get to the next level, and people who can also zoom out and see where you currently are in your business and what you might need to move forward or take the next step in hitting that goal. Also keep this in mind too. When I say investment over purchase, or over buying something, there is a difference. The investment, we all know as high performers, high achievers, right? That a lot of times when we invest in something, we might not see an immediate return, but again, you should still be seeing some results along the way. And this is how I pro tip teach my clients and students to build out their programs and courses. This is why a lot of people quit courses in the middle, or quit courses before they even get started, is because they're not seeing results. And so when you're putting together your programs and courses, please keep that in mind. Like, your students and mentees should be seeing results at every single module, every single lesson along the way. Okay, so when you invest in something, you should still be seeing results, even if you don't immediately get the return on that investment. One of the things that I focus on up front, and let me say this too, because I'm just going to put it here. And I said at the top of this that I was going to say this in love, but a lot of people are buying things that aren't giving them more money, that aren't making them more money. If you are in business right now, again, this comes with knowing your seasons and also understanding like some of the things that are adjacent to the purchase or to the investment will make the return on the back end. So for instance, I have a gym membership, right? Most people would say, oh, how's that making you money? It is. It's keeping me in shape. It's keeping me focused. It's giving me energy. Okay, it's allowing my brain to function and come up with new ideas and all of those things. So it may not be the gym giving me the money back that I'm putting in, but it definitely is, okay, in other ways. And so you just have to, again, that's what the difference is between buying something and investing in something. You have to understand what season you are currently in and what return you are currently looking for, okay? Like, what is going to be the return on investment? And also stay persistent, okay? Stay in that thing. Stay consistent. Stay persistent. Like, stop giving up on stuff when you are investing. And I'm going to say this again because I'm a huge advocate for mentorship. Invest in a mentor, invest in a coach. If you don't have the answers and you don't know where to go or how to get them, or you find yourself procrastinating, or you're afraid that you might make a mistake or mess up, invest in a mentor, okay? It's the biggest, bestest investment that you can make. And I did just say bestest. Is the biggest, bestest investment that you can make, okay? The best one you can make is to invest in a mentor, invest in a coach, and show up as you, all right? So I say this all the time to people, show up as you, okay? Be your own person, use your brain, think about what you're thinking about, okay? And stop just following trends, start following results. That's important. So if there's a mentor or coach that doesn't have results, you need to be seeking those out. You can ask them directly. Don't be afraid to ask for what it is that you want. Ask them directly for the results that they have achieved, okay, for themselves, for others, whatever have you. They should be able to like send that to you, okay? You should also follow intuition, okay, when choosing a mentor, choosing a coach. I break this down in another episode on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, which, by the way, if you're watching now, hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes drop. I can't even get it out. I'm so excited. Also, I'm feeling much better today than I was yesterday. Sinuses, allergies, they are clearing up, so I'm super happy about that. But I break this down in another episode about how to choose the right mentor, how to choose the right coach. And you just have to be diligent and make sure that, you follow intuition as well when it comes to that. I appreciate all of y'all so much. I like gamer. No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I am hoping though that this inspires somebody moving forward, because I just remember my journey getting started. I was just shiny object syndrome all over the place. I was buying everything and not really considering, is this the right investment for my business? Is this the right investment to help me move forward? So no, I'm not mad. It always comes from a place of love, encouragement, and inspiration, and hopefully helping somebody else to navigate this entrepreneurial journey as well, especially when it comes to premium courses. Again, if you're interested in getting started with your premium courses, your luxury mentorship and coaching programs and brands, then you can go ahead and head over to jumpfirstacademy.org. There's a free training over there. It'll take you like 30 minutes or less to go through it. It has free resources in there to help you take action, as well as some paid resources if you choose, if that is the direction that you want to go. Okay, so you always choose your next step at each section of that training. All right, and it is amazing. I'm excited that we revamped it. Again, jumpfirstacademy.org to get started. If you're interested in the advanced strategies, tomorrow's session, I teach on Thursdays live. Tomorrow's session is closed. Okay, so you'll have to jump in next week. Next Thursday, I'll be teaching again live. There are advanced strategies to help you with pricing, marketing, all of those things, your premium courses, okay, and luxury mentorship and coaching brands. That's all I got for today. I love y'all so much. Consider your return on investment. Consider your season that you are currently in and invest accordingly. All right, I love y'all. I hope this inspires you forward, and I'll catch y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.